Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you something very interesting and I know that you're gonna love it. This is a payment from Wise. Wise was the name of is the name of TransferWise. I don't know if a lot of you know that this is the best method to get paid when you live abroad, you don't live in United States, and some application like PayPal or other website may refuse you like Stripe, so you can use TransferWise just to transfer your money. I just received this payment from a website, an affiliate website that pay me just for my work because I refer people. And I'm gonna show you the product that I promote, and you can do it as well. So my balance on this website is zero right now, but you can see this is the payment I received from my Gmail. You can see if I just refresh for you, as a lot of you love this when you see people refresh their screen. If I just refresh for you guys, you will see the money will still intact. It's still the same amount that you see. So this is the same amount. You can see $210. So the website that I use, this is a simple and an easy affiliate marketing website. This is Warrior Plus. Warrior Plus is a place where you can find a lot of affiliate offers to promote. So you can just go to them and join as an affiliate and promote their product. I love Warrior Plus more than ClickBank. Let me tell you the reason. Warrior Plus allow you to just send traffic and they convert better, and they give you just an overview about each product that you try to promote. When you are on Warrior Plus, if you go to the dashboard or if you go just to offers to see what works right now, you're gonna see all the offers below. Let me show you how to choose the offer that's gonna convert. So you see when you are right here, you can see the top offers. The offers you see, we got this sign, this dollar sign. So this is one of the top one vendors. When they have $4 sign, that means they have a lot of sales and they are popular. So one thing you can see, the conversion rate for them. So you can see this line, this is conversion rate. So for this product, it is 9% conversion rate. That means for every 100 people you send as traffic, 9 of them gonna convert as a buyer, and you're gonna make commission. So this is how you see the product. And you can see for the refund, this is what I just verified. I verified the conversion rate and I verified the refund policy, the refund percentage, excuse me. So for the refund percentage, you can see it is only 1%. So for each 100 people who join using your link, only one of them can ask for a refund. So how much is the price and the commission that you can earn? It is $34. So you can request to become an affiliate for this offer. You see on offer on Warrior Plus. So you just click on request. When you click on request, and I'm gonna show you how to write the script to get you approved easily. So you can see right here. So to promote this product, so before you promote any product you find on Warrior Plus, just go to see the sales page. So if I go to the sales page, I will be more interesting to promote them because I'm gonna see if everything is okay and how you two guys you can make money using them. So you can see this is the product. It is snappy. So you're gonna see this is the sales page. You have to watch this to see if you were a client or a visitor, would this sales page convince you to buy the product. You can see it's making us 321 per day with a 30-second trick makes us $10 over and over every time we copy and paste. So someone who read this headline, there is a good hook that keep these people, and I'm sure that they're gonna click. This is why they have this conversion. You can see just after watching the video, the client has to click there. This is why I love Warrior Plus. Their sales page are really high converted sales page that gonna convert. You just have to send traffic, and if people click here, you can see just for $17 one time, people gonna click there and they're gonna end up buying something. I'm gonna put the link of this product on the description if you want to try it, or if you want to buy it too for yourself, you can do it. So guys, I use this method, as you can see. So when you just see the sales page, you see everything is okay, you just go to request approval. When you go to request approval, they're gonna ask you some notes. It's optional. You can see it says optional, but I will suggest you always write something here, because if you write something, you increase your chance to get approved. What I would say, hi, I am Vanel Sylvester. Something like that. You say, I have been in affiliate marketing since 2000. You can say something like that, 2015. I have 6 solid years with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. And you say something like, I've been generating sales, something like this. I've been generating sales for the past years, for affiliate network, like, so something like that. You just give example of what you do in the past, and they will see there is a reason to approve you. So something like that. So you see, I've been generating sales for the past years for affiliate marketing network, like something. You can just say like ClickBank, Share Sell, something like that. You can say Amazon FBA, and commission junction, etc. Something like that. Junction, etc. Okay. You can say, I am sure I can be a good fit. A good fit for your affiliate program. And you say, just to finish, as traffic method, I will be using, you can say something like that, I will be using as traffic method, I will be using paid traffic source, like Google Ads. So you just want to get approved. Google Ads, Bing Ads, and sometimes some SEO on my blogs, something like that. I wish I could be a good candidate, something like that, a good candidate for your program. So you just write this and send it. So when you take your time to write your intention to join an affiliate offer, they are more likely to approve you. And just copy the script that you see I write. Just pause the video and copy everything I say. Or you can change some words if you want, but this is the method. So you just copy this, and you're gonna do the same thing. You just copy this because you will be using it again for all other offers that you want to get approved for. So you're gonna get back again to Warrior Plus, to other program that you want to join. Just always see if they are in the top vendor. You see, this one is in the top 1 vendor, so you can just go to this as well. You can see they have 8% conversion rate only 2% of people who join this program ask for refund. So you just click on request, and this is how you do it. It's easy. Anyone can do this. So they pay me just to do this because they have, if you are in a country like you are not in USA, you don't use PayPal or other method of payment, they use a company named Lexico, and Lexico allowed them to receive the money for them. So this is Lexico will send me the money on my TransferWise, and you're gonna get paid like this because every product that you try to promote, you're gonna see, you go to see their sales page first, and after you just grab your affiliate link. Just if you get approved, you just grab your affiliate link and you start generating targeted traffic. You can see, this is why I love Warrior Plus. You see, did you see the sales page of a product? The sales page is very attractive. So when someone come here, they are more likely to click below right here to buy the product just for only $7. So this is what you do, and you just request approval, the same thing, and the text that you just write, you just pass the text here. You can join even 50 of them, and the one that approve you, you just start promoting. So guys, I hope this video bring you a lot of value, and I hope you give this video a thumbs up to make YouTube notice this video. And if you are new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. This way you will encourage me to make more video like this and make more money as well. It was your boy Vanel as always. Bye bye.